Okay, this is a video inspection of a 1999 Bobcat 863. Comes with the 73 horsepower Duetz diesel. It's got a brand new set of tires on it. Comes with a set of forks or a tooth bucket. I'm just going to go around the machine, take a look at it, and then start it up and show you how it runs. Taking a look at the motor here. Got a nice quality heavy duty motor. Runs good. No leaks on the machine. And new tires, as we said. Take a look at the operator compartment and then I'll get in and run it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how it runs. Currently available on eBay.